kamsholozi. That is the first step. Kodwa ungahambe emhlabeni kungenanto edalwe uwe ngoba you are God yourself. Yazwa ke umuntu nomuntu la mayephuma la iobjective yakhe i2/3 majority. And leyo nto ilula kithi ma comrades. Abaningi abazi ilula. The first elections ga Mandela I think we got somewhere around 11 million. Wayithola i2/3 majority. Kwalandela uThabo Mbeki yehla from inamba kaMandela. Wathola somewhere around kuyo i2/3 majority. Akangayisebenzisa because he had no objective yokukhulula umuntu omnyama. Kwangena umsholozi yakhuphuka, but because of our numbers ayikwazanga uyithola i2/3 majority. Kodwa yakhuphuka from i-decline after uThabo Mbeki. Leyo nto leyo ikutshela ukuthi in the entire country iGauteng ne KZN are two deciding factors kuma elections, simply because of the Zuma factor, Msholozi factor. Abantu abazi ukuthi iIFP iphuma ku-ANC, iUTM iphuma ku-ANC, iCope iphuma ku-ANC, iEFF iphuma ku-ANC. Kodwa kaze kutatazele umhlaba njengoba sekudaleke iCope. Do you know why? Niyazi ukuthi yini indaba? uThabo Mbeki ushilo wathi ngeke avotele iANC. Akuzange kube nankinga. Bayithulela nje. Washo no Khalima Mhlanti wathi ngeke ayivotele iANC. Abashongo lutho. Kuthe uZuma mayesho kwanyakaza umhlaba hayi ANC. Unyakaze uKing Charles eEngland. Kwanyakaza uJoe Biden eAmerica. Kwanyakaza all the Belgian Lokuza kings. Ngoba even la around the SADC, iMPLA iyathuka, iZanu PF iyathuka, because they know ukuthi kushintsha umhlaba. Lokuba comfortable koZanu PF no APLA nabo MPLA kuzophela. Now we are faced with a real freedom. Hayi le fake ye democracy. The whole continent was actually made fools ngalama democracies. It is a plan yabelungu ukuthi lonke izwe maselithanda kuba inkinga. Le democracy sinayo ayiqhamukanga ngobunzima bukaMandela, no. Iqhamuke ngokurealize kwabo Anton Rupert nabo Harry Oppenheimer ukuthi ngathi kuthanda kuba kubi manje. Let's do this thing before kuphenduka yonke into. They had an interest yokuthi bangalahlekelwa ama-mines, bangalahlekelwa yonke into asebeyakhile. Hayi elethu kodwa ezweni lethu. They had a lot to lose, so they went ahead. Bamkhipha uMandela as early as 1986. Baqala ukuba nama meetings naye uMandela, planning for this fake 1994 democracy. Leyo democracy was actually a very conditioned democracy. Ngoba kuyo on the agenda umhlaba was not part of it. On the agenda economy was not part of it. That is why we have a cadre ebizwa ngoThembisile Chris Hani eyalahlekelwa umphefumulo wayo ikwazile ukusihlula special branch outside the country. Kodwa wazofa esefa la ebulawa yini? Wayengeke akwazi ukuhlula ilokhu special branch outside. Bese zofa on a Sunday morning ejokela. Kusho ukuthi ubulawe yithi instruction yokumbulala iphume kithi. So that is what I mean mangithi we should be selfless. Sikhumbule ukuthi Chris Hani ufele umkhonto wesizwe. Abantu bomkhonto wesizwe they met ngoba sebebona abantu bengcebelekile bebusa outside. Benayo yonke inhlobo yemoto kodwa bethi bakulokhuza I'm struggling. Bebusa angifuni ukubabala ngamagama. Kodwa kwakunjalo into eyafika nombono womkhonto wesizwe 1961. So ke my comrades ngiyacela zinikeleni ngenhliziyo zenu zonke njengoba nila anidukanga ngibonga mina idalwa zenu nonke ezinenze nayibona lendlela ngoba yiyo into yakusasa yiyo ezophatha lelizwe yiyo ezokhululwa umuntu omnyama amandla amandla izwe elethu ayibuye
Africa
ayibuye
Africa
yabo